Okay, so on this part naman, this part of our, what happened? Hindi gumagana ang aking mouse. Ayun, sorry. Yeah. So on this part, we will be exploring this time after the brush, the pencil naman. The pencil tool. Pencil tool for line art, for cleaning up, for in-betweening. Ito naman siya. So again, I am using a stylus pen, tablet. As you can see, the stroke that I have created with a pencil is textured. Makikita nyo siya, the same with the brush, meron kayo dito. Meron kang presets, and then meron kang pang-customize. Diba? So this is for your pencil. So pwede kang mamili ng iba't iba ring textured pencil presets mo. So let's say, gawin ko tong 100. So the size increases. Ayan. So let's have, bukod dyan sa charcoal, I would like to have a smooth pencil line na i-increase ko to 50. Ayun. So just for us to see the difference. So pencil line, what do I get if I go back and use once more the contour editor and select it? Ayun. So makikita niyo the difference. Pakita ko lang, gagamit lang uli ako ng brush para lang makita natin. So using the brush, what's the difference pag ginamitan ko sila pareho ng contour editor? The brush again, class, sorry, the brush again is a fill. The pencil, ito si pencil, ano siya? It's a stroke. It's a stroke kasi it's following the path. Ito, it's a fill because it's inside the space created by the path. Okay? So, yun yung difference nilang dalawa, ha? This is from the brush, and then this is from the pencil. So, pag tinignan mo yan, ayan si brush, fill siya, ayan si pencil, path siya. Diba? So, that's the difference between them. Now, let's say, I want to delete this brush. Delete ko muna yung brush. Focus on the pencil. At itong example na to ang gagamitin ko. Delete. Okay. So, next. Focusing on the pencil. So, if I have this, turning on my contour editor, so, obvious thing, I can adjust it. I can delete. Yan. Pero inside here, so makikita mo may drop down cap siya. Meron akong pencil editor. Pag kinlik ko si pencil editor, what do I get? So makikita mo, in the pencil editor, I have this. So pwede kong i-manipulate yung aking mga tips or yung mismong thick and thin effect ng aking pencil can be adjusted. So the thickening, the thinning of this, pwede kong i-select ng sabay, pwede kong i-adjust yung size ng sabay, pwede ko siyang i-adjust ng paisa-isa. So again, this is up to you. How would you prefer to work on it? Diba? So I can also delete. If I see that not needed, I can select this and then I can adjust sizes. Diba? Maximum size, minimum size. They are customizable here. sa ating, again under your contour editor, pencil editor. This is mainly meant for the pencil. Okay? So, yan si pencil editor ninyo. That is working well with your pencil strokes. Okay? So, gagawin ko, tatabi ko muna sila using my selection. Tabi ko muna sila. Kasi may kamag-anak si pencil eh. Since sinabi natin yung stroke. So, let's say, so paano kung nagki-clean up ako pero wala akong pencil. Sorry, wala akong stylus pen and tablet. Kung wala, ito yung kamag-anak ng pencil, the PolyLine. PolyLine, those that are familiar with the Photoshop paths and anchor points. Pero again, as I've said, ito ay related sa pencil. So that means, kung ano yung huli mong sinet, for example, nag-set ka ng pencil texture, dito natin hanapin, stroke view, let's say, gamitin ko ay ito, si charcoal, tinurn on ko sa paths, so, magiging charcoal yung paths ko. The size, pag sinelect ko yung size, let's say mga 50, so, the charcoal, once I do that, once I do the paths, the polyline, ganun din siya. Now, the polyline works like Photoshop or Illustrator. The difference is, hindi ka makakapag-edit ng iyong polyline or makakapag-galaw-galaw, move ng polyline mo if you are in the paths or polyline tool. Si polyline mainly it is for the creation. Okay, create ka lang. Pero if we are to edit it, babalik ka dito kay contour editor. Have it selected and then can move. You can add. Holding control, magkakaroon ako ng plus na icon. Ayun, ma-add ko yun. Hawakan ko si Alt and I can have a tangent. Diba? So, yan naman si ating polyline. I can hold Alt to make it a corner bezier or tangent, cornered curve. Next is, I can still go to the pencil editor. Have it selected. And as you can see, I can access yung kanyang mga points. I can select those points, have it accessed, and it will also react. Pero again, this is a polyline. Okay? Now, paano kung ganyan? Polyline ako, pero this portion, kailangan ko burahin kasi nag-i-interact, nag-i-intersect sila. For example lang naman. So, how can I edit? Pwede ba mag-edit nun? Later on, may encounter nyo yun. So, you can press letter T sa keyboard. That's the cut. Holding letter T sa keyboard and just selecting that with the lasso selection, mabubura na siya. Diba? So, that's something clean. Pagka nagkaroon ka ng mga ganoong intersection. Again, holding T. Okay? So, yan naman ang ating pangalawang tool for drawing. Si pencil at saka si polyline. Okay?